How to add a second Gmail account. If you want to add a second Gmail account to your Gmail app on Android or iPhone, the process is just very similar. To do so, first of all, launch the Gmail application on your device. Once you launch the Gmail app, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon from the top right, and these are a list of Gmail accounts that are currently added. So if you want to add another Gmail account like I have done for multiple ones, tap on the option Add Another Account that you can see here. Once you find Add Another Account, these are the options that you will find again. So you can simply select Google from here and enter the login info of the new Gmail address or the account that you'd like to add. And once you've done that, you'll be able to successfully add a second Gmail account on Android. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.